Hello, beautiful people. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone's doing amazing. Happy weekend, guys. I am greeting you in my new office. Look at this. So this morning I was here. I was editing the vlog for tonight, and this is the very first time that I've actually edited here, and it felt so comfortable, especially now that I have this nice office chair. Look at this. I can just lie in my back, very comfy. And then we have this table. Finally, it's actually pretty wide and I like it very much. Oh, see, look at this. Ta-da! I can just go like that. And here I was editing like this when I look at the screen too much, and then I can just look at the window, and we are opening the window now and we have nice breeze getting in, so it's very good. From the window, I'll show you, Robbie have installed the blinds as well, so we can close this one. We've actually changed the curtain here before, so it's best to have this blind so we can just close and open it like this, because the curtain was going to the floor, and obviously we have the table right here. Look, I love the color of this one as well. And you guys see, it's khaki. This is looking like a legit office now. See, this is my new setup and I'm loving it. Very good. Dziękuję bardzo. Bardzo dziękuję. Robbie assembled everything last night. Tak? Dziękuję. Alright, guys, look at this. I'm so happy about this. And finally, after doing YouTube and editing for the last 6-7 years, I finally have a proper desk and chair. This feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys something about this chair that I got. It actually has a leg rest. You can just pull it out over here, see? And then you flip the foam and ta-da! I can just do it like this. Very nice, isn't it? So if I'm tired editing and I wanna put my leg up, I can just do that. And can I recline this? That? Okay, we can also recline the chair. How do we do that? Wow, wow. This is almost a bed. Very comfy. And for everything that we've ordered, it's the chair that was on the pricier side. The table costs about 2,000 pesos. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty good. And this one was 2,800 pesos. I mean, for what it is, seeing it in person, it's actually worth it. Hopefully it's gonna last. Well, I'm not really very heavy, so this will be very good. I like the color as well. It's light gray, and I think it complements with the sofa bed that we got, and also this right here, it's also gray, right? And we also ordered a small cabinet so that I can store something here, so we're gonna put it right here. It has been delivered, so I think we're gonna pick it up today in the city. So once you're done resting your legs, you can just push it back. We flip it here and then push. Ta-da! And then you're back to work. Dun, 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 dun. It's very good, guys. Normally, I would edit like this. I like to be so close to the table and I can rest this right here. With a perfect mouse, my CTL is not triggering anymore. Very good. to do. We just finished with lunch at Chili's. Now we're going to Metro. Tomorrow is actually Papa's birthday. So we're gonna get a gift for him. And then we're gonna get some groceries. Papa just want to celebrate it at home. I've asked him the other day, where does he want to celebrate his birthday? But because he has dialysis today, he's feeling tired, so he doesn't want to go somewhere. So we're just gonna have a dinner to celebrate his birthday tomorrow. So we're gonna get some meat. He wants pork and chicken, and then we're gonna get a cake for him, and we're gonna grab a gift in department store. So let's go. By the way, there is Thailand Week 2026 in Ayala Center, guys. Look, I think they have some Thailand products. See? Huh? Ah, they're cooking. Oh, cooking class. I love Thai food. Tom yum. Mango sticky rice. Maybe we go there later, check out what they have. Some Thai products. BNY is fine. Hello everyone! We just got home and let me show you the stuff we got this time, because this is gonna be for Papa's birthday tomorrow. He is turning 59 tomorrow, guys. Almost senior citizen. Well, he can already process his papers for senior citizen, so that once he will be 60, he can already receive the money from the government. I think it's monthly. Where do we begin? Okay, right here we have a cake, and oh, I got a candle as well. So we have 5 and 9. This cake is really good, from Dessert Factory, one of my favorite cakes here in Cebu. Here, for the gifts for Papa, guys. So we have this happy birthday, color blue, of course. Papa loves to wear sleeveless, as you guys know. So we got him this white, yellow, and then what else? We also got him handkerchief. So he can use that when he goes to dialysis. We got this jogger pants. He requested this one, so this is cute. I think he likes wearing this. Everything is for his dialysis session. He feels like he's like going to work or something. Oh, another one right here. Oh, you got a lot. And then we got some mirror. Finally, I have this kind of mirror, guys, because you know what? I badly need one. Now that I have my office, that's going to be my makeup room as well. So I need a standing mirror that I can use. So at least I have that. A lot of apples. We have banana and orange. We have bread, foil. Sis also requested for the salad ingredients. So we have here fruit mix, all-purpose cream, and condensed milk. And then here, we also got a few items more for Papa, guys. Alcohol, perfume, underarm. Since Metro was on sale, and if you have the rewards card, you will have a total of 3,000 pesos purchase. You can have a gift. So I chose this Coca-Cola. This is very perfect for tomorrow. And then since we got a lot of meat, actually we already gave the meat to sis, so she can put it in her fridge because I don't think it's gonna fit here. Since we got a lot of meat worth 2,000, we also have here, look, white fish fillet, 1 kilogram. Ooh, look at that. That's so good, guys. This is for free from Metro. Thank you, Metro. Oh, Fyang Fyang is here. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Anamo maluoy kaunta. Hala, Fyang Fyang? We have something for you. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! We got a wheelbarrow. Wow! Yay! Are we gonna open it? You wanna open? Wow! Buyet got you this one. Look, a wheelbarrow. Yeah! Yay! Yay! Tang 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 tang. Okay, we open this one, babe. Open. We open the wheelbarrow. Fyang is going to play. We did not see you today, Fyang. Huh? We did not see you today. Tita was in her office. Tita was editing the video. What's that? Clap your hands, babe. Can we show the guys? You clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Wow, Fyang is now playing. Wow. So you gotta put it here in the wheelbarrow. Look, put to tayo. Yay! Put this one. This one, put inside. Yay! This one, put inside.
You get, put here.
Put here. Fyang wheelbarrow. Put like this. Put. Whoa! What happened? Fyang is playing the wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
Look at her. Why is your position like that, Fyang? You look like you're in the beach or something. Wow, you like your toy? Fyang, you like? There she is. She likes it, I think. Fyang, put inside. Oh, too tight. Oh, what happened? She got so many to pick. Oh. No. What is that? So, where is Fyang? Where is Fyang? Oh, ini. This. Ta-da.
Yeah, get away.
You gonna get this, huh? Banana. Why are you dancing? Why?
Close your eyes, hear the voice within
Oh, look at that.
calling. Dying in your skin,
I don't know how to
Darling.
do something like this.
you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. On time, you're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for it. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come, come, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors.
Good evening. We just finished with dinner. We had wings and fries. So earlier, this is what we got from the city, by the way. Robbie assembled this one, and this is the small cabinet that he was thinking of putting here. But guys, the quality is not very nice. It doesn't have the runner. So if I open it, it goes like this. It doesn't really stay like that. The quality is very bad. If Robbie would describe it, it's like worst quality. You always get what you paid. But yeah, how much was this one? I don't know, like 1,000 or less. I'll just use this one for now. I put my makeup here because this will not only be my office, this is gonna be my makeup room as well. But it holds my makeup here, my everyday makeup, so that's good. I have been loving this chair. It is the comfiest thing ever. I can't believe I finally have like a proper table and chair. Really nice. By the way, I'm wearing this sweater now because you know what? It's 23.5 degrees Celsius. Look at this. I cannot believe that. It is very cold. Mom's wearing socks as well, and she was telling me it has been cold since this afternoon. Guys, I have packed Papa's gift for tomorrow. We got cake for him. We will have a nice party for Papa tomorrow, guys. And it will be March 15. By the way, I have this calendar. Oh, Robbie have put some nice stuff in here. This is Best Cebu YouTube Vlogger of 2022. This is the trophy from Best Cebu Vlogs. And then, oh, this is the mirror. Finally, I have a mirror so I can do my makeup here. And then we have this flower. So yeah, we're gonna put more stuff in here. It's gonna look nice later on. I love the blinds. Everything's looking good. I'm so happy how everything turned out. We did not spend $1,000, but how much we spent? This one was 1,000, this one 2,700. Well, for these three, it was like 5,000 pesos, I think. And then the couch was 8,000. So 8 plus 5. Oh yeah, 9,000 because delivery fee. Not too bad, right? See, I got an office now. I'm happy. Dziękuję bardzo for the great mind of Pani Roberci. Co? Dziękuję.